things weren't always this bad, okay? That actually used to be a guest bedroom and it looked like this. Then we actually decided to swap the office and the guest bedroom, and I am left with this mess. So here's a tour of the room we will be converting in this video. Okay, first I'll show you what's straight in front of me. A beautiful big window that I absolutely love, and also it has such a pretty view. So in this little corner area, what I'm actually planning is I want to have an inbuilt table here and a bunch of shelves. I think it's gonna be about 7 shelves. I'm also hoping that they can do this before Christmas. Currently there is a desk that used to be upstairs in the office, but this desk I actually love. It's from West Elm, so I think this one we're gonna sell at the auction house. This sofa I've actually sold. Oh my baby. I'm just waiting for this girl to pick it up. Now here's the plan. I want this office to look like a magazine cover, you know? When I was redoing my kitchen, you want to see the kitchen?
Oops, my bad.
Wow. The guy who was composing the elements and mathematically putting all together, when he was hearing my wishes and my, you know, what I want to do with the room, he was like, but it doesn't need to be a magazine cover kitchen. Say what? Of course it does. Why would I be doing anything if I'm not gonna do it the best it could possibly be? Now that you've seen that it can be done to the extent where it looks like a magazine cover, let's carry on with our plans, shall we? I have found this website that allows you to create your room in simulation, so you see what you're doing in real life. And this is the plan. Okay, so the website is called Home by Me, and this is what I have designed so far. Okay, so this is kind of what I wished this room to look like. This shelf over here is sort of similar to the shelf I already have, so I think I'm just gonna keep it. This mirror I need to get. Now obviously this is not the wardrobe that I have right here, but you sort of have to work with what you got from furniture on this website to make it look close to what it already is. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is the area, and hopefully it ends up looking something like that. I am still thinking whether to do this wallpaper or not. I am kind of torn in between because I like this tropical-ish look. I don't want it to look too messy or too crowded, because you know when you put all the stuff on the shelf and if behind it is a very loud background, it might not look that well. So I don't know. There are 6 different shades of pink that I'm gonna paint onto the wall today, and I only have literally 1 day to decide which one I want. Let's get to it! You know what I never understood in the movies when people are painting the walls? You know, they open the doors and their face is covered with paint. How does a paint get on your face? The only place my paint gets is the carpet. Guys, this color, I'm sorry, but this color, how gorgeous is that color? If this was in as heaven, then I would totally pick this color. But since I will be sharing this room with my fiance, don't worry, I will not subject you to this. So we're gonna compromise. Okay, I feel like I might go with this one. There was just one tiny problem with this paint. I don't like it. I actually hate it. Yeah. It has turned out way more pink than I wanted. Like, it's not even as pink as it is going towards the purple. So if you compare it with white over there, you can see that it's kind of on the cooler side, whereas I really wanted it to be the warm kind of a pink. Another good news is that I'm having a builder come in tomorrow to fit in those shelves. Not gonna lie, they look pretty amazing. Wow. The camera is gonna be a little bit high, but I just wanted to show you all the shelves that we've done. Obviously, this is not a finished product. When I started this project, I was like, you know what? We're just gonna paint some walls, we're just gonna do some shelves and a desk, and that's it. No big deal. And it's already been like 2 months. Let's just use some of this editing magic and jump into the future when we've made more progress. Yes, ma'am! Guys, we are almost done! Oh, that makes me so happy, you have no idea. Calm down, calm down. I don't know where time has flown, and this video has been in the making for... Wait, when did I start filming this vlog? And now is 7th of January. We have put in the shelves and the desk, and we have painted the room! There is only a few more things that I need to do before I get to show you the final room tour. First of all, getting rid of that goddamn table. That feels better. Now that we have a paint that we love, there's only one last thing to do.
Looks nice.
You might end up on YouTube. Say hi.
Yeah. Hi. Looks beautiful.
Yeah. What did you think? I was gonna do candles and flowers? Nah, we're going extra, baby. I can literally stare at this forever. I love it, I love it, I love it! Okay, now the candles and the flowers. Gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. Hey babe. Oh my god, hi. Can you show them? Yeah, I'm on it. Right guys, let's go. Ready? Whoa, I got dizzy. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah! Big kiss to everyone who made it to the end of this video. Even if you didn't, you know what, take the kiss, it's fine. If you've made it to the end, do subscribe. I mean, there's so much more content coming up. Check in the description box if you're interested to know where I got all these stuff. Just a drawers, mirror, and prints. I'll write it all down. Bye.